All right. So it works somewhat, but not entirely. Okay. Um, Let me just give you a little quick how this works. So up here,
Can I do one request to you?
yeah, go ahead.
Because English is not my native language, so can you please go ahead with slow rhythm so I can understand you properly what you are saying?
Okay, you want me to talk slow? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
saying you have to talk with me in a little bit slow rhythm so I can understand you properly what you are saying.
Okay. Okay. So this trade panel is the only part down here at the bottom. Okay. And I don't know how much of this other stuff matters, but maybe it matters because, like, let me see. Well, first, let me explain how this panel works. So I know the lot percent balance works. I haven't tested the other ones. So let's say 1%. And then I know the take profit price part works and the stop loss price. So I put in 1774, which is right here, the green line. Okay. And the stop loss right here. Stop me if you need me to clarify or to repeat myself. Okay, and then I told it to sell. And then I hit refresh and it calculates how many lots based on the 1% lot balance, the take profit amount based on the price, the stop loss amount, the pips for take profit, and the stop loss, and the risk to reward. What's missing is the margin. I'd like to know how much margin it's going to cost me. So that would be something I want, is the margin. Once the trade goes active, this tells me the pips and the dollar amount right here.
Okay.
This refresh should say calculate, not refresh. It should be a button called calculate. Um, the save doesn't work. I would like the save button to take everything here and save it down here. Where's it at? Oops. So the Bob bot. So notice it didn't save my take profit or my stop loss. Okay, so that would be nice if it could do that. But if I
So you are saying when you will write all the inputs, you will fill all the inputs and then you will click on the save. These written inputs should be also updated into the EA inputs as well.
correct,
Am I right?
correct.
Okay. Okay.
Now, so I suppose it should, when I hit save, it should do something like this. It should probably give me this window, I suppose. So then I could make a folder called BobBot or something, or actually Lazypreneur, I guess.
Okay, it should give you this pop-up window and you can save it as a set file.
Right, as a set file, correct. Correct. And then when I copy it, I can paste it in another chart easily. So that works. Okay. And then I can hide it and I can show it. So this button is
It's
not
also
necessary.
working.
This button is not necessary because obviously I can only hide it and then I can show. That works. And then the move button works. Okay.
Okay.
And then there's a magic number that goes in there. I can put in the magic number. It's kind of hard to see. And then in the comments, I would tell me if this is possible. Can it automatically put in so negative 501 for the stop loss amount plus 546 for the take profit underscore, there's no spaces, underscore the risk to reward, and then underscore the margin amount. So I wonder if it could calculate it into the comments. Is that possible?
Yeah, I think so. It is possible, but for this side, I have to check its
Okay.
feasibility as well. Then I can assure you.
Okay. And then this closes all the trades, only the profit, only the loss, and the pending. This is the spread. And then the sell and the buy has the price. Now, that's how this works. What I would like is for the sell and the buy to be up at the top. I would like for
Alignment should be changed for buttons.
sorry.
You want to change placement of buttons.
Yes, because what I want to be, first of all, the guy made this way too big, but I don't know if that's too much trouble to make it smaller. But for now, I would like the sell and the buy at the top. And then I want to be able to, instead of the word show, maybe we could have minimize. So it makes it smaller as well as hide. Of course, I can hide it or minimize. And if I minimize it, once the trade is active, I want to see, oh, wow. I want to, oh, the market opened. It's already 5 o'clock. I want to see the symbol, the time frame, the amount of time left on the candles, which I don't know why that says that. And then the percentage. I think it's maybe because the market, I don't know. I don't know if that's correct because the gold doesn't open till 6 o'clock. But anyway, and then the margin. So when I minimize it, I can see the amount of pips, the amount of money, and this information here. That would be something I'd want to see down here. And then maybe just leave that down there when I minimize it. Because, yeah. So, and it's kind of slow. I don't know if it could be made a little faster. Right now, it's not too slow because maybe because the market's not open. I don't know.
But actually, it is not slow. It is normal speed. It's normal speed. Actually, it is not slow.
Right now.
Because of too much coding in the background, and it should have to call the function. That's the reason it is little bit slow. But as per your EA functionality, it is normal speed.
Okay. Maybe if we get rid of all that other code, it'll be faster.
Yeah, we can do that because this manager have some graphical interface as well. So maybe that's the cause of its slow speed.
Okay. And then these lines, I want to be able to drag them. I want to be able to drag them.
It's not draggable. It's not draggable now.
No, it's not.
Okay, when you will drag it, you also want to change the values in the manager as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now, if you click this, it hides it. But if you click it again.
Do you have MQL file for this panel?
Yeah. The source code, yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
when you go to the let me see, when you go to the document, everything has a hyperlink. So right here, you can click on the hyperlink, and there is the MQ4 source code, and there's the EX4 file. Okay,
Okay, it's good.
and
So in this document, do you already put everything what you exactly want to do in it?
say it again.
I'm asking in the document, you already put each and every detail what exactly you want to
No.
modify in this trade manager.
No, I'll create another document because this document is for uh, a whole entire strategy. So I'll create a document based on this video I'm making right now, all the little details. I can do
Okay,
that.
no problem. You can make a document and you can send it to me maybe at WhatsApp, and I will check it and I will let you know about all its feasibilities, if I can do it or if I can not do it, or what I can do it for you.
Okay. And in the meanwhile, while I'm creating the document, maybe you could look at the source code, download
Yeah,
it.
yeah, sure. You can, if you can send it to me at WhatsApp, it will be nice for me. Instead of I found it there or I have to search it there. Can you please send me at my WhatsApp?
Send it to you on WhatsApp. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All
Okay.
right.
Send it to me and I will check its code meantime, and you can prepare document, send it to me, and I will check its all feasibilities and will get back to you. Can I ask us another question if you don't mind? Hope you don't mind that question.
If I don't mind, what?
I'm saying, can I ask you another question? Hope
Yes.
you don't mind about that.
Yes, go ahead.
Can I ask your budget for this project? Because this project seems not a normal project. This seems a bit complex project.
Okay. So this is
So can I ask your estimated budget? So if your budget is like fair budget, so we can proceed, because I do not want at the end we both waste time.
yeah. If you could take a look at the code and tell me what
Yes.
tell me what you think it's going to cost, and then that would be
Sir,
better.
because I am asking another reason to ask from you is because this is our first project, and I always believe to do ongoing basis work with any of client, longer term business relationship.
Yeah.
That's the reason I am asking your budget. So if I can manage it under your budget, I will say I will happily accept it. But
Yeah.
I do not want to give it to you any unfair price. Maybe for that you say that no, we cannot do work or something else. So
yeah.
I want to know your budget so I can see if it is fair. I will happily accept it.
Yeah. I don't really know what I don't really operate with a budget, but if you give me a price, we can if we need to negotiate, we can. You won't offend me if you tell me your price. We can talk about it. So don't be afraid. Just tell me what you think it would cost, and then we can.
No problem. Then no problem. Go ahead, make a document and send it to me, and I will get back to you and will let you know about its price. And also, meantime, you can send me the source code, and I will check it for you.
Okay. And if this project is too complex, then I have other work as well that are more related to the expert advice.
Basically, let me tell you my background. I have more than 11 years experience for in forex industry.
Mm-hmm.
And also I am doing trading. I am doing development since 2015. So I have more than 6 years experience in coding side as well. I also can develop trading view scripts as well, web development, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Kotlin as well, Kotlin mobile apps as well.
Oh, good.
So
I have a
can
project
also
for.
do the complex projects as well, but I can do or not will be depend on the client budget. If budget will be fair, I will definitely do that. But if budget will be disturbed with both of us, then I will say apologize.
Yeah, that's okay.
Then